Shanandari Jani from C class of Institut Pendidikan Indonesia. Now I would like to deliver my speech about why you should join English education program. Ladies and gentlemen, in the global era there will be more developments happening in this country, starting from free trade, more and more foreign companies in Indonesia. So using international languages such as English is very wide for prospective entrepreneurs and job seekers who have become expert to master English so that they can develop in the age of globalization. But what is English education program? English education program is one of the study programs in which students are prepared to become English teacher in elementary, junior, and senior high school. And why learning English is important? Remember that English is an international language because this language is very universal and used for communicate among people around the world. English is the window to acquire knowledge. As we know, a lot of books like encyclopedia, discoveries, and inventions are written and published in English. We will not be separated from the English language because this language can exist everywhere, like on the computer, the internet, even in mobile phones. So for me, English is very important because English allows me to develop and interact as social beings. In this case, developing means to follow the modern era of globalization. So it's very important. Do you agree with me? I hope so. That means English is very important for us. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a saying, if you can speak English, you will be able to control the world so easily. And I think choose to join English education program is the right choice because many beneficial for our life. And this is the reason why you should join English education program. The first is mastering international. This language is even used in the world of commerce and technology. Therefore, being a student in this department will make you as a person who has high competitiveness, has a high work ethic, and is also able to compete in international fields. You can join in several agencies, private companies, or even open your own foreign language services. The second is broad job prospect. Because English is an international language, there are many people who want to master it. Well, for those of you who want to become an English teacher, this course is the right answer. However, if you don't want to be a teacher, there are a number of other professional options you can pursue, such as being a tutor, translator, writer, entrepreneur, banking, guide, and so on. The last is getting complete knowledge. English basically has a fundamental knowledge that are reading, listening, speaking, and writing. In fact, you will also learn other knowledge related to English, as well as science, linguistics, literature, and of course, education and innovation. With this complete and specific ability, later on, after graduation, you will easily find work and be accepted to work in many places. And Institut Pendidikan Indonesia is one of my appropriate recommendation for all of you who want to become English teacher in the future. It's because Institut Pendidikan Indonesia is one of the very good educational institutions. There are also many achievements that have been achieved both by students and the lecturers. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all of my speech. We can conclude that English is necessary because it's useful and has many benefits, and that's why you should have to choose an English education program as a solution, shouldn't it? So, what are you waiting for? Let's join with us in English education program at Institut Pendidikan Indonesia if you want getting so many benefits that I have told you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.